Hello, welcome back to Just Stick Crochet channel. How to crochet the half double crochet stitch. You have to crochet a chain of your preferred length. Click the link above to learn how to crochet a chain stitch. You count 2 stitches away from your hook, and on the 3rd stitch you're going to yarn over and pull up a loop on the 3rd stitch. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. Lovely, you've made your first half double crochet stitch. You repeat the same pattern till the end of the row. It is as simple as that. Very easy stitch to learn. Yarn over and pull through a loop before you take out all the 3 loops on your hook. Over to the next stitch and repeat the same pattern. Pattern is pull through all the 3 loops on your hook. That is half double crochet for you. Keep your tension not too tight. Remember to crochet freely because you will come back and work in those stitches, so make sure you have a loose stitch. When I say loose stitches, I mean make sure your stitches are not tight on your hook. Let your hook move freely. In case it's coiling a little bit, it's normal. Just adjust it with your hands and continue crocheting till the end of your row. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crochet for beginners. I hope this pattern is very easy for you to learn as a beginner crocheter. If you've gotten to the end of your row, congratulations, you've learned half double crochet. We've gotten to the end of our row. That's it for half double crochet, guys. Big thumbs up, big thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.